What if I told you that you could start a side hustle using AI without spending a single dollar? That's right. You don't need thousands of dollars to get started in the world of online business. AI has made it possible for anyone with an internet connection to tap into powerful tools, and today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. We're talking about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to create passive income streams. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, AI sounds expensive and complicated, but trust me, it's easier than you think. There are tons of free AI tools available that can help you get started today, and I'm going to walk you through some of the best ones in this video. Throughout this video, we'll be exploring different side hustles you can start using AI, from creating and selling your own designs to writing engaging content and even managing social media for businesses. We'll be diving into platforms like Canva, ChatGPT, and others that offer free plans so you can start generating income without any upfront investment. So whether you're looking to make some extra cash on the side or build a full-time income stream, AI can help you get there. Stick around and I'll show you how to get started step by step. Let's get into it. First up, we're diving into the world of print on demand, and let me tell you, this is a fantastic way to dip your toes into e-commerce without the headache of inventory management. Imagine this. You create a unique design, slap it on a t-shirt, mug, or even a phone case, and someone out there buys it. You make money without ever having to touch a physical product. That's the beauty of print on demand. Now here's where AI comes in. You don't need to be a design guru to create eye-catching artwork. There are free AI art generators out there like DALL-E Mini or Crayon that can help you whip up amazing designs in minutes. Just type in a few keywords, let the AI do its magic, and boom, you've got yourself a unique piece of art ready to be printed on, well, pretty much anything. Once you've got your masterpiece, it's time to choose a print-on-demand platform. Some popular options include Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify. These platforms handle everything from printing to shipping, so you can focus on what matters most, creating awesome designs and watching the passive income roll. In the next section, we'll walk through the process of actually generating an artwork using a free AI tool and uploading it to a print-on-demand platform. Trust me, it's way easier than you think, and you'll be surprised by the quality of designs you can create with just a few clicks. So stick around and let's get creative. Now let's talk about another lucrative way to make money online using AI content creation. We all know content is king, right? It's the backbone of any successful online presence, whether it's a blog, a YouTube channel, or social media. But creating high-quality, engaging content can be a real grind. It takes time, effort, and let's be honest, a whole lot of brain power. The pressure to constantly come up with fresh ideas and maintain a consistent posting schedule can be overwhelming. But what if I told you there's a way to streamline the content creation process and even automate some of it using AI? Imagine having a tool that can help you brainstorm, draft, and even edit your content. That's where AI writers come in. These innovative tools are designed to assist you in generating content quickly and efficiently. These powerful tools can help you generate blog posts, articles, social media captions, and even YouTube video scripts in a fraction of the time it would take you to do it manually. They can adapt to different writing styles and tones, making your content versatile and engaging. We're talking about tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai, which use advanced language models to produce human-quality content that's both informative and engaging. These tools are constantly learning and improving, ensuring that the content they generate is up to date and relevant. Now, before you freak out and think robots are coming for your writing jobs, let me clarify something. AI writers are not here to replace human creativity. They are tools designed to enhance your creative process, not replace it. Instead, they're here to be your trusty sidekick, helping you overcome writer's block, generate ideas, and speed up the writing process. They can provide you with a solid foundation to build upon, allowing you to focus on adding your unique voice and perspective. Think of them as your personal writing assistants, available 24/7 to help you churn out amazing content. They can handle the repetitive tasks, giving you more time to focus on the creative aspects of your work. In the next section, we'll dive into the specifics of using ChatGPT, a powerful and completely free AI writing tool to generate different types of content. We'll explore its features, capabilities, and how you can leverage it to enhance your content creation process. You'll be amazed by how easy it is to use and how much time it can save you. From drafting blog posts to scripting YouTube videos, ChatGPT can do it all. So buckle up, content creators, because AI is about to change the game. Get ready to take your content creation to the next level with the help of AI writers. All right, guys, imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and boom, you've made money while you were sleeping. It's like a dream come true, right? That's the beauty of passive income, and social media management is a fantastic way to achieve it. You can literally make money while you sleep thanks to the power of automation and smart tools. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, managing social media sounds like a full-time job. All those posts, comments, and messages, it can be overwhelming. But trust me, it doesn't have to be. With the right approach and tools, you can manage it efficiently and effectively. With the power of AI and a few key tools, you can streamline the entire process and turn it into a lucrative side hustle. AI can handle repetitive tasks, freeing up your time for more strategic work. And one of my favorite tools for this is Canva. It's a game changer for anyone looking to create stunning visuals without spending hours on design. It's incredibly user-friendly, even if you have zero graphic design experience. You don't need to be a professional designer to create professional-looking content. Canva's AI comes with these amazing templates. Think pre-designed Instagram posts, Facebook banners, even YouTube thumbnails, all ready to go. These templates are designed to catch the eye and engage your audience. Just input your client's brand colors, logo, and any specific details, and watch the magic happen. Canva's AI will generate professional-looking graphics in seconds. Seriously, it's a game changer. You can produce high-quality content quickly and efficiently. Now, the beauty of Canva is that it's not just about static images. You can create dynamic content that stands out. You can create animated posts, short video clips, and even engaging stories that captivate your audience. Even those cool carousel posts that are super popular right now. These posts are great for telling a story or showcasing multiple products. All of this adds variety to your client's feed, keeps their audience engaged, and helps build a loyal following. And makes you look like a social media wizard. And the best part, you don't need to spend a fortune to get started. Canva has a free plan that's perfect for getting started. You can access a wide range of features without spending a dime. As you take on more clients and your income grows, you can scale your business without a hitch. You can always upgrade to unlock even more powerful features. The investment will pay off as you deliver even better results for your clients. But remember, the key here is to be efficient. Time management is crucial when you're juggling multiple clients. Don't spend hours agonizing over every little detail. Focus on what matters most and let the tools do the heavy lifting. Use Canva's AI to do the heavy lifting so you can focus on strategy and creativity. Personalize it for your client, adding that unique touch that sets their brand apart, and move on to the next task. Efficiency is key to scaling your business. The more efficient you are, the more productive you can be. The more clients you can take on, and the more projects you can handle simultaneously, and the more money you can make. Your income potential is directly tied to your efficiency and the quality of your work. It's all about working smarter, not harder, and leveraging the best tools available. And Canva is your secret weapon. Embrace it, master it, and watch your social media management business thrive. All right, guys, let's talk about another fantastic way to use AI to generate passive income AI voiceovers. This is huge, and it's only getting bigger and more influential. Think about it. Businesses need voiceovers for everything from YouTube videos and explainer videos to commercials and even those automated messages you hear on the phone. Now, you might be thinking, Graham, I don't have a great voice, or I've never done voiceover work before. But here's the thing. AI levels the playing field for everyone. You don't need a fancy studio, years of experience to start. There are incredible AI tools out there that can take your voice and make it sound incredibly professional, or even generate entirely new voices altogether. And the best part, you can do this all from home on your own schedule. No need to commute to a recording studio or deal with expensive equipment. It's all about leveraging these incredible AI tools to your advantage. Let's face it, writing compelling copy isn't everyone's cup of tea. It can be a daunting task, filled with moments of frustration and self-doubt. Many people struggle to find the right words to convey their message effectively, but here's the secret. With AI, you don't have to be a wordsmith to create high-converting copy. Imagine having a tool that can take your ideas and transform them into engaging content effortlessly. AI copywriting tools have become incredibly sophisticated, capable of generating everything from catchy headlines and engaging product descriptions to persuasive ad copy. These tools can analyze data, understand context, and produce content that feels almost human, and even long-form blog posts. Whether you need a detailed article or a quick social media update, AI can handle it all. Think about it. Affiliate marketing is all about promoting other people's products or services. It's a way to earn money by leveraging your audience and their trust in your recommendations and earning a commission on every sale you generate. The more effective your copy, the higher your conversion rates and the more commissions you earn. The key to success in this game is driving traffic to your affiliate links. Without traffic, even the best copy won't convert, and converting that traffic into paying customers. This is where the magic happens, turning visitors into buyers. That's where AI copywriting comes in. It can help you craft messages that resonate with your audience and drive them to take action. Imagine having an AI assistant that can whip up attention-grabbing headlines that stop scrollers in their tracks, making them want to learn more. Craft product descriptions that highlight the irresistible benefits, making the product seem like must-haves. And write social media captions that practically guarantee engagement. These captions can spark conversations and drive traffic to your affiliate links. That's the power of AI copywriting tools like WriteSonic, which can generate content in seconds. Jasper and Copy. These tools are designed to make your life easier and your copy more effective. These tools use advanced algorithms and machine learning to understand what makes copy effective. They analyze vast amounts of data to determine the best way to phrase your message and can generate high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. This means more engagement, more clicks, and ultimately more sales. And the best part is that you don't need to be a tech wizard to use them. The interfaces are designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. Most of these tools are incredibly user-friendly, even if you're new to the world of AI. You can start creating effective copy in no time. Now, before you start churning out AI-generated copy, there's a crucial step you need to take. You need to choose an affiliate niche. This decision will shape your entire strategy. This is crucial because you want to promote products or services that you're genuinely passionate about. Your enthusiasm will be evident in your writing, and that align with your audience's interests. Understanding your audience is key to creating content that resonates with them. So think about your hobbies, interests, and areas of expertise. What topics do you enjoy exploring and sharing with others? What are you knowledgeable about? Your expertise can add credibility to your recommendations. What do you enjoy talking about or sharing with others? Your passion can be contagious and draw people in. Once you have a few niches in mind, do your research. Look into the demand for these niches and the competition you'll face. Look for affiliate programs that offer competitive commissions, high-quality products or services, and strong brand reputations. These factors will influence your success. There are tons of affiliate networks out there, like Amazon Associates, which is one of the most popular and trusted programs, ClickBank and ShareASale, each offering unique opportunities and products to promote that offer a wide range of products and services to promote. The variety ensures you can find something that fits your niche perfectly. Remember, the key is to choose a niche that you're genuinely excited about. Your passion will drive your efforts and make the process enjoyable, because that enthusiasm will shine through in your writing, making your copy even more persuasive. People can sense genuine excitement and are more likely to trust your recommendations, making your copy even more persuasive. Effective copy can turn casual readers into loyal customers. Plus, if you're passionate about the products or services you're promoting, your content will be more authentic and engaging. You'll be more likely to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. High-quality content builds trust and encourages repeat visits. Here's where things get interesting. The next steps will set the foundation for your affiliate marketing success. Once you've chosen your niche and signed up for some affiliate programs, you're ready to start building your strategy. It's time to build your AI-powered sales funnel. This funnel will guide your audience from awareness to purchase. Think of a sales funnel as a roadmap that guides potential towards making a purchase. Each stage of the funnel is designed to move them closer to a decision. It typically starts with attracting attention, then nurturing interest. This involves creating content that educates and engages your audience, and finally converting that interest into a sale. The final stage is where your efforts pay off. With AI, you can automate and optimize each stage of your sales funnel. This means less manual work and more efficient processes. Use AI copywriting tools to create engaging social media posts. These posts can drive traffic to your landing pages and keep your audience engaged, and blog articles that drive traffic to your landing pages. Well-written articles can attract organic traffic and improve your search engine rankings. Then use AI-powered email marketing platforms to nurture leads. These platforms can send personalized messages based on user behavior, and send targeted messages that nudge them closer to making a purchase. Personalized emails can significantly increase conversion rates. Don't forget about retargeting ads. These ads remind users of the products they've shown interest in. These are incredibly effective for re-engaging users who have shown interest in your affiliate products or services. Retargeting can bring back potential customers who were on the fence. By using a combination of AI-powered tools and strategies, you can create a seamless and effective marketing strategy. You can create a well-oiled sales funnel that works tirelessly to generate passive income for you even while you sleep. This is the ultimate goal, a system that continuously brings in revenue with minimal effort on your part. You need to watch this if you struggle with finding the right side hustle. We've covered 5 incredible AI tools and side hustle ideas that can help you start generating passive income with $0 down. From print on demand and content creation to social media management, AI voiceovers and affiliate marketing, the possibilities are endless. Remember, the key is to take action. Don't let these ideas stay just ideas. Choose one that resonates with you, dive in, and start experimenting. You don't need to be a tech expert or have any prior experience to leverage the power of AI. These tools are designed to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. So, what are you waiting for? Your passive income journey starts today. If you're ready to take the next step, I've included links to all the tools and resources mentioned in the video description below. And hey, while you're down there, let me know in the comments which AI tool you're most excited to try out. I love hearing from you guys. By the way, have you used any other free AI tools? If yes, which ones? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Keep hustling and stay tuned for more AI-powered side hustle tips and tricks. Until next time.